teacher in Delhi Government Higher Secondary School. Since January 2021, I feel very pain in my shoulder. Last 6 months, I cannot do any work. I cannot lift my hand up and down, and I feel very pain. But I consult many doctors, but I cannot relieve my pain. But finally, I came to the Manipal Hospital. I consulted Dr. Gaurav. He advised to take a minor operation. Then I agreed and I admitted in the hospital 2 months before. Then after completing my surgery, now I feel little bit better now. I can lift my hand up and down. There is no pain. I feel very happy now.